What's up, everybody? I'm going to be installing a fuel pump on my 2012 Kia Soul Plus. It's going to be the first time I'm going to be ever attempted doing this, but it should be an easy job. So, let's get to it. Alright, so I got the fuel pump here, ready to go. And I'm pretty sure this right here is the seal that goes underneath it. I'm not sure. We'll have to find out and see where it goes. Alright, so there should be two tabs underneath here. One located at the base, per se. The bottom of the crack. Hold on. And I know you can't see them right now, but give me a minute. Booty! Okay, so the seat should come up.
Wait, is your full pump under your seat?
Yeah. So it should damn it, I saw on the latch again. So yes, it should come up.
Is it going bad or are you just replacing it just
I think it's going bad.
ouch.
Yeah. Alright, watch yourself.
It's never a good thing.
No. Alright, so seat's out and it's gonna look like this. Right. Yeah. Right. Okay, so there's your fuel pump. Okay, yeah, there's also a bolt back here. I don't even see where my wrench is at, but there's a bolt back here and it takes a 9/16 socket. So it's, wait, where's my, oh, here it is. Here it is, my bad. Yeah, it's back there. So let's take that out. And then the seat should work its way out. Should. Okay, you guys, so I got this pried off, and as you can see, there is the fuel pump itself. So let's go ahead and get that out. All I got is a hose clamp and a few couplers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna come back to that. Oh, I apologize. There's some screws around the rings there. I don't know if you can see them though, but there should be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm counting 8 nuts that you have to loosen up. So there's those. Alright, so I got all the all the nuts unbolted and the couplers detached. You have your gas line right here, and then you have your air line right here. So be careful when pulling the gas line out. Sorry about that. A very large truck was just leaving. Okay, so be careful when you unconnect the gas line. You're gonna have some gas in there, obviously, unless you're like me and have half a tank. So, with that being said, I guess your best bet is just to, let it go close to E. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. It's not that big of a deal. But just be ready for it, because you're going to have a little bucket. I wouldn't say bucket, but a tray on hand, because you're going to have to do a little catching with the old gas there. So, just be ready for it. Alright, so fuel pump is out. All you see is gas, and that's not looking good though in my fuel tank. But here is the old fuel pump itself. It looks pretty decent, but hey, better out than in, you know. So there's that. Okay, so fuel pump's in, as you can see. All I need to do yet is just connect those two couplers that I first pulled out. So when I get back to that, I'm almost done. Alright, so I got this, the new one, gonna go in. Gotta be very, very careful. That should just sit. Should just sit just like that. Then after that's done, I'm gonna connect this to that, and then guessing this is your airline, connect that to that. And your couplers are over there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, let's start her up again. Ooh. That's a hard start, but got the fuel pump in. Everything's operating. Gonna let it run a while because it seems like it's gonna stall, but I just put a new fuel pump in there, so it has to get gas through the gas line. So I'm just gonna let it run a while. Just let your car run a while, and you should be good to go. Alright guys, so I got the seat back in. The bolt was hard to get in because I think the original owner had it cross-thread, but I didn't want to break the bolt, so, but I got the seat in, the fuel pump's in, the car is running fine right now, well, hopefully forever. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe, comment below for any questions, and you guys have a great day, and again, thanks for watching.